Just woke up, and since it's a Saturday today, I thought why not paint this once. So I had got this like 2-3 years back, and you can see like the black paint of it has gone out. So I got the paint. This is the matte paint that I'll be spraying on it. But before that, I'll just apply some sandpaper on it and get this painted. Because you know, if you see from here, the entire bike looks good. Just leaving this too. So I'll just do that now. So I've taken out one side of it, and you see like what is done to it, and see like how clean the light is. But you know, there's a lot of dust that's accumulated over here. You know, I thought like initially I'll have to use some packing for this because see, this glass was somewhat like this. I thought I'll have to use some packing, but the good part of it is that this is already open, so I'll just scrape it and I'll directly paint it over. So the same will go this side also. I'll just quickly take it off. I have scraped one off, and you see like this is the final outcome. I have not scraped it on this side, only this side. And then I just remembered that I had one liquid called as some BIKELOVERS paint removal. So I'll try this on this one. So that is here. I'll try it on this one. Let's see if hard work wins or smart work wins. So I'll take the brush only and apply because I can see like the quick results. You know, this chemical is quite harsh. You see what it has done to my nail, and I can still feel it like getting numb. And you see what it has done to the paint, like it's all coming off. I'll wait for some more time and wash it. So this is the chemical. Yeah, and now you see it just comes off like this. See, look how the paint is coming. So this is how the finished this thing looks after scraping off all the paint. So here's the paint. This is the matte black paint. I'll just take it over there and spray on it. You know, I'll do it coat wise. So I just put one coat, and then I'll wait for like 2 minutes and then put the other coat. You know what will happen if I like just keep on painting it? You'll get water smudges. So you see how perfectly it's done now. Look at this one as well.
A few minutes later.
And as you can see, like this side is done, the top side is done, even the sides of it are done. So I'll just let it dry now because I have like quite important things to do. So I have one more work. I have to go to Malcolm's place. There are a few things that I need to do. So I'll just do that, and I'll we'll go there now. Let's see like what exactly it is. But you know, overall I'm really excited for Saturday and Sunday. I wish I could get more days off like this. It should be like, you know, 3 days work, 4 days off.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Something like that. So without wasting more time, I think I'll leave. The time is 12. It's I think past 12 now. I forgot my watch also. I'll just get it. And taking the heat into consideration, I've worn the jacket and I've taken the cap also. So yeah, let's leave now. So we're almost done with our work, and it's time to play. We might play like 1-2 games. The boy is here. It's time for Call of Duty. So Malcolm is all set to lose. Wow.
2 hours later.
So I just went home and had bath and came. We are playing back again, and we got Renan as well. So first I defeated this guy, and now this one is come. Let's destroy this guy.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So you just have a look at the score. I am 74 and this guy is 36. So once again, you see how he's hiding his face. Game that's the So me and Malcolm were playing. The score is 63-59. First time he has managed to defeat me.
A few minutes later.
So like we played quite a lot of time, and he won once. That he wants me to tell you all. He won with a margin of like 4 points. But what he's doing is he's just killing my AI and he's taking all the points. But now it's time to show him defeat. Juta Rao. You see the last kill, and the loser of the match I defeated him with 20 points lead. No, it's actually more than 20. 36, 13. कैसा लगा रेनन? Huh? With another victory comes another defeat. So I just reached home, and overall it was a really good day today. The paint needs to be dried up. I think it will dry by tomorrow morning, and I'll install the parts that I removed. But I really enjoy playing this PS5, especially Malcolm and Renan. They are a sport, and they are quite how do you say, energetic, and there is a competition when we play. So yeah, tomorrow I have a plan of going for a ride, early morning ride. But let's see. I'm having a bit of a sore throat. If I feel good, I'll go, or else I'll get up a bit late. So yeah, until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.